Today, we're diving into the exciting world of plant propagation, specifically focusing on how to propagate plants from cuttings. This process might seem daunting at first, but with the right guidance, you'll find it's a rewarding way to expand your garden. Let's unravel the mysteries of plant propagation together. Firstly, let's understand what propagation from cuttings involves. It's a method of cloning your favorite plants by cutting stems, leaves, or roots and encouraging them to grow into new plants. This technique can save you money and allow you to replicate your favorite plants with ease. To start, you'll need a healthy parent plant, clean pruning shears or a sharp knife, a pot with soil or water for rooting hormone, though not strictly necessary, it can enhance success, and a little patience. Ensure your tools are clean to prevent disease spread. Select a healthy part of the plant you want cloned. For stem cuttings, look for a segment that's about 4 to 6 inches long with several leaves. A good sign of a healthy cutting is new growth or green flexible stems. Next, prepare your cutting. If you're doing a stem cutting, cut just below a node, where leaves meet the stem, as this area has a high concentration of growth cells. Remove the lower leaves to prevent rot, and focus the plant's energy on root development. Now it's time to use rooting hormone if you have it. Dip the cut end of your cutting into the rooting hormone powder or liquid. This step is optional, but can increase your success rate by encouraging quicker root growth. When placing your cutting in soil, make sure the part where you removed the leaves is buried. If you're using water, only the cut end should be submerged. For soil, ensure it's moist but not soggy. For water propagation, change the water every few days to keep it fresh. Place your cuttings in a warm, bright spot, but out of direct sunlight, which can be too intense. Humidity plays a key role in helping your cuttings root. You can cover them with a plastic bag, or similar to keep the humidity high. Just ensure there's still some airflow to prevent mold. Patience is crucial as your cuttings develop roots. This can take anywhere from a few weeks to a couple of months, depending on the plant. Once roots have developed and you see new growth, you can transplant your new plant into its permanent pot. In conclusion, propagating plants from cuttings is an efficient and satisfying way to expand your garden. It allows you to clone your favorite plants, experiment with plant care, and even share plants with friends and family. Remember, each plant and cutting is unique, so observe their needs and adjust your care accordingly. Thank you for watching. Exploring the world of plant propagation opens up endless possibilities in gardening. With practice and patience, you'll find success in growing your plants from cuttings. Happy propagating, and see you in the garden.